Welcome to day 13. In today's smoothie, we are going to use this little guy. This is called Fennel greens. This is the fennel bulb. It kind of tastes like licorice, like black licorice. So some people automatically go, ooh, I don't like that, but don't knock it till you try it. We're going to use just the greens in the smoothie. This you can use in a salad later on. It's quite nice in salad. So chop the greens. In they go. We're also going to do some pineapple because we had some left over. Boom. I'm making room to cut the kale. So then we do raspberries. And now we're going to de-stem the kale. And dinosaur kale is slightly more annoying to de-stem than green kale. But it's actually still pretty easy to not do it with a knife. Just basically pull along the stem and it comes right off. We're going to do a whole banana. And we're going to do 5 pitted dates. 1, 2, 3 and a half, 4, and 5. 1 pint of water. And the rest is history. And give it a shuffle. And see what happens. Those raspberries make a green smoothie smell so good. Down the hatch. It's like magic. Holy moly. It's a good smoothie.